Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learning with Faryal, and I hope you are all doing well. So today we are going to discuss about the topic which is emotions. What are emotions and what are they come from, and what are the types of emotion we experience in our daily life. So first of all we will learn the definition of emotions. Okay, so definition of emotion and where does it come from, like from which language and all sort of things. So it is derived from the Latin word immovere. It is derived from Latin word. Okay, it is derived from Latin word. It means that it is from like the origin of this word was immovere, which is an Italic language, and that is immovere. Emotions are like these are our feelings. It may be positive, it may be negative or something. It has seven types we will discuss later. And the word immovere comes from Latin word, Latin language, which means to stir up. What does it mean? It means that to stir up. To stir up agitation, we can say agitation and or trembleness. We can also say we can also describe, or we can take the meanings of emotion in three words, which is stir up, agitation or trembleness. So it is the mixture of unconscious or cognitive experiences. Now we will come to the detail of emotions. What are emotions? In actual, what is the meaning of our emotions? What are we experience in our daily life, which is we just name them as emotion. So it is mixture of unconscious. Okay, it is the mixture of unconscious or cognitive mean or thought processes. The word cognitive, if there is a word like cognitive or cognitions, it directly means our thought processes, our pattern of thoughts. And cognitive experiences. What are emotions? I am repeating again and again, just for your easiness. It is mixture of unconscious or cognitive experiences that may be verbal, through like we can use our tongue, like through words or communication. We call verbal or non-verbal language, verbal or non-verbal language, or maybe physiological changes, or maybe physiological changes, or cognitive changes. It says the definition of emotion says it is the mixture of unconscious, it is the mixture of unconscious or cognitive experiences, which both include our unconscious experiences, which we may not learning, or which we may not facing at that time, or cognitive experiences, or verbal or non-verbal language, or maybe it may be our physiological changes. These emotions contain all these sort of changes, or you can say things in it. So what are the seven types of emotion? Types which we are going to learn. Types of emotions. I'm gonna write one by one. So first emotion is happiness. Obviously we start with the positive one. Second one is sadness. Third one is anger. Fourth one is fear, which we normally experience in our daily life. And fifth one is disgust. And disgust is, we can take this word disgust and its meaning in a sense of hate or something like that. And sixth one is contempt. Contempt. Contempt means, you can say, it also is a negative kind of it contain negative kind of meaning. And the seventh one is surprise, which we also experience in our daily life. The word contempt, in easy language we can say insult, okay, and the disgust we can say it, in easy language, is hate. So these are the types of emotions and all kind of thing. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe and like the video and share your experience. And if you get any kind of help in comment section, thank you for your time, and do subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.